everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and we're going to do a cute little DIY. Now, this is a mirror, of course, from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to paint this green around the outside edge. The way I do that is I take some painter's tape and cover the mirror so that nothing will get on, no paint will get on the mirror. I'm going to use some burlap, so FYI on that. And flowers from the Dollar Tree. I have a bunch of flowers and some greenery, and we're going to make a really beautiful mirror for your wall. So let's get started. First, I'm going to spray paint this mirror with some green spray paint. Okay, I have painted my mirror. You can see how pretty that looks with the green, and I think it'll just blend with all the greenery and the flowers. So now I just need to take off my painter's tape. You can see I just covered my mirror so that it would not be painted. And if there's a little bit, you can scrape it off. I don't think that is actually paint. Okay, so I'm gonna set that in the trash. Now, I've taken my burlap. I just have some rolls of burlap that I keep on hand for different crafts, and I've cut a piece. This is probably 3 inches wide and about 18 inches long. So the roll is 18 inches, and so I cut a piece, actually cut a 6-inch piece and then cut it in half, and it doesn't have to be exact. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. This is the side that's finished, and I'm going to glue it to the center part, the frame part that's around the mirror, and I'm going to pleat it when I glue it, and then as we go we're going to cut some strips so it lays flat. This is just going to help with the background to fill it, and I think it'll look really, really pretty. So let's get started with that. Okay, so once you get your burlap on, however you like it, I'm actually going to snip it every so often just so that it doesn't bunch up under my flowers. But if you like that look, you can leave it that way for sure. So this is what I'm doing now, just every so often cutting. So what I'm going to add is some greenery. So I bought these at the Dollar Tree. These are really pretty, just little green ivy type leaves, and I'm going to add them all around this, like the center, before I add any flowers to give length and dimension. So I'm just going to cut these off and add them around here with hot glue. So I laid out my leaves, I cut them, I cut the stems off for mine, and so it's going to take me 7 of these large green leaves to cover what I want to cover. So I'm going to glue those down now, and then we'll look at the flowers and see what we want, what I want. All right, now that the greenery is behind where we're going to put the flowers, where I'm going to put the flowers, say we, but then you just need to pick out the stems of flowers that you like, cut them apart and lay them out the way that you'd like for them to look, and then you will glue them down. So I've got several that I want to work with, kind of like this off-white, this peach color, and some yellow, along with this Aromanthus that I purchased and used on another project. And I like that it lays long like this and will add so much color. So I think I would want this in the background and then the flower on top of that. So I'm going to take some of these stems off and glue them down first, and then the flowers over that. Now I have this glued down, and I'm going to take my flowers and see how I want them and how far I want them to branch out. And then we'll have to work with some greenery to cover all these, you know, like stems. Get an idea of the layout that you want. In mine, it's 3 layers, so I've got the ones really close to the mirror, which are not going to have really any stem, and then I've got the really pretty peach color that will go out to 1 level, and then the white roses that will stick out. This is going to be so really very beautiful once it's completed. So now that I know what I want it to look like, I can go ahead and glue it. Okay, so I've done this round here all glued down. Now I'm going to take my little buds and I'm going to glue them down. I really don't want any stems, so if I have any stem at all, I'm going to cut that off because I want the flower to be what you see, not the stem. Okay, and as I look at it, it's really beautiful. It looks really, I mean, gorgeous, and you can see the mirror here. And I'm looking at the stems and I'm thinking maybe put another layer of some of this green ivy leaf, and just to kind of help it. And I think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, it's done. It's gorgeous. It just is really, really beautiful, and it just says spring all day long. Oh, you can see me in the mirror. There we go. And how did we make this? Just a Dollar Tree mirror, Dollar Tree flowers and greenery. And it probably cost, I don't know, well, less than $10 for sure. And you can just add whatever you want. This was $1, this was $1, this was $1, this was $1. The greenery, I already added that up. The mirror was $1, and then I added spray paint and some burlap, which you really don't even necessarily need, but I thought it would be good. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you're inspired to create something this gorgeous to brighten up your home. I hope that you would share this. I appreciate all my subscribers and everyone that is watching our video. Just comment, share it, it helps my channel, and subscribe. And I appreciate you becoming part of my YouTube family. So thank you so much and have a great day.